Good afternoon, my friends. I'm coming now to you to explain your real problem. Take out the trash. In the evening, twice per day, or even if it's not full and it gets stinky, take out the trash before the trash takes you out. And now I'm not only speaking about the trash itself from the recycle bin. Also, I speak about the trashy people that you are involved with daily or during your lifetime. I also speak about the trashy situations. There are not only trashy people, not all of them are trashy, but there are also trashy situations. There is something wrong, something bad happened in your life, in your day, in your week. If this was unintentionally but accidentally something got worse, forgive and forget about the situation, make yourself better, learning from the situation. If the person was a good person, didn't want to make any trashy, but unintentionally did something, you're a human being, don't forget about this. Forgive, forget, but learn from the situation not to be the same again. Trashy people and trashy situations which are doing this on purpose, you find them mostly at job or also among your friends, which are so-called friends. As I said in the previous video, remove them from your life. They're not gonna make any good for you. The worst situation that you cannot remove from your life is when you work with trashy people. Now, those kind of people are trashy because they want, or they are trashy because their bosses, their management team make them to be trashy. Worst situation in life is to be an employee. This way you will get to deal every day with, if there is trashy situation at work, or if there are trashy people at work. In order to remove the situation, first of all, try to become self-employed. This way, even if you work with trashy people, you don't have to work again, or you can avoid them. Into a way or another, try to take your mind away from what is happening, move away from them, try to work into a different department, into a different separate room of the workspace. As I said, until now there are two trashy situations. There is also the third trashy situation that you cannot escape because it's for life. It's the family. If you have a trashy situation or trashy people in your family, try to escape. Move away from there. Nothing good comes out of this. So if you don't take the trash away from your life, the trash itself will put you away. So don't forget, there is always a seed of common sense in every person. We are people, we should forget, we should forgive. We didn't create the world, somebody else, greater power than us, the divinity, the nature, God, Allah, whatever you want to call, something greater than us created this planet, this universe. So who are you not to forgive? If the divinity forgives you in most of the situations. But you don't have time to be philosophic in situations. So remove the trash with common sense, or if it's not possible, do it a bit roughly, but still with kind of diplomacy. Move away the trash before the trash removes you. All the best further.